Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to our trade recap on the E-mini. This morning we started out wanting to buy 65s to 67s, and we wanted to sell 74s to 76s. We post these every day. Well before the fact, you would have had this information in your hand at 7:10 Central Time, no later than that, so you had plenty of time to act on the day session opening, which would have been at 8:30 Central. Taking a look at the F4 screen, how do you put these trades on? We have prescribed setups. We thought the market was going to be bracketed today. We were looking for the market to test support at 65, 67, and that it would hold. And so we're going to trade based on our RTF pattern, and you can see the market touches the 67 area, the top of our projected buy zone. We had our retest failure of this pivot low. The entry on a limit buy would have been 67, or it could have been at 69 with a buy stop when you took out the signal bars high right there. The market did trade to 76. So you had a shot at 7 to 9 points on this first trade recommendation today. We did have a recommendation to sell 76s, 74s to 76. On a sell stop, you'd have been short at 74, and the market traded down just below 71. So you had your shot at our normal 2 to 3 points, which is what we expect on every one of these setups in the E-mini. So on the most conservative exits, going for 2 to 3 points, you would have been up 4 to 6 handles for the day, and on the absolutely perfect exits, you would have been up as high as 12, and that's not a bad way to start the day. 6 points in the E-mini would be $300, and 12 points would yield $600, and in all likelihood, you would have been somewhere in between. That's it for our recap on this morning's recommended trades. Please contact CNFT Futures for more information.